how to make a table in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. Tables make your data more organized, easier to read, and super powerful for sorting and filtering. So first things first, head over to your Excel, and then I'll show you how to create the table. What you can do is first you can enter your data, like you can put in serial number, name, age, salary. Just put in your data, you need to put in a clear header, and just click and drag to select all your data including your headers. So after you've filled the area, just drag around the area where you want the table, and then what you can do is you can see all borders option. You can just tap on it and it will automatically create a table for you. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.